Hello teacher, my name is Linthi from Kiri. I am studying at Chonkunathan Vidya School. I'm Mathayom 6/1 number 23. Answer the following question. Article 1. Have you ever been to an amazing place? I have been to Lampromthep in Phuket. I have been there 2 years ago. I really like the atmosphere when the sun is setting on the sea. There will be a cement edge for you to sit and watch at sunset. The sea is emerald green, with the wave crashing against the shore. It's very beautiful to look at. Article 2. What would you feel if you were stuck in a bad traffic? I will feel irritated and lose my temper because I'm a person who doesn't like to wait for anything for a long time. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.